Welcome. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you or teaching you on how to make emojis on Discord using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for any emojis or images that you want to use. So I'll be using this frog meme right here. So just go ahead and choose any image that you want. So let's just go ahead and choose this. So just go ahead and long press on that image and add it to your photos. So if you want to remove the background, just go ahead and use the remove.pg. Click on upload image, photo library, then choose the image that you want. Okay, so now you just need to wait for it. Then now click on download. Okay, so now just go ahead and download this image on your device. So as you can see, it removed all of the background. So now once you save that on your device, just go ahead and open your Discord app. Open any server that you want. Click on the three little dots at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on settings. And you want to find the emoji section. So just go ahead and click on the emoji section. Click on upload emoji. So I'm just gonna allow the access. Then just go ahead and choose the image that you want. Okay, but in this tutorial I will be using the image that is remove the background. Click on choose. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to remove the background of the emoji that you want to use. And then after that, just go ahead and go back to the server. Then now you can just go ahead and choose use the emoji that you created earlier. So now when you press on send, as you can see, that is the emoji that I've created earlier. Okay, so that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.